Press the bell icon to never miss a video from POPxo Daily.
Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode of POPxo Makeup Masterclass. Since it's already summers and it's all about bright and beautiful colors, I thought of doing this sun contour makeup look for you all. So let's get right into the video. Love how summery and beautiful this makeup looks. Let me know your views in the comment section below. And since you love us and our content so much, I have a little surprise for you. You can join the MyGlamm POPxo inside the program and get ₹150 off on all MyGlamm beauty products. The link to join is in the description box below. And for more such videos, like, share and subscribe to POPxo Daily.